How do you think the ancient builders designed and built the Notre Dame Cathedral? Do you think they did it by producing drawings or by using measuring tapes and spirit levels? Well, you'd be wrong. They had none of these tools available to them. No paper for drawings, no agreed measurements. All they had was wooden models and wooden templates. It was all only possible through excellent communication and collaboration. How do you think we design and build today? You might think of a group of people in a conference room or in a site office looking at a drawing, or a person navigating through a model on a computer screen. We are at a key point in the construction industry where we're in danger of making the classic mistake of applying traditional thinking to new technology. We believe the future might lie in the collaborative methods of the ancient builders who built the cathedrals. Drawings without dimensions are to a point where we don't need drawings at all. Building information modelling, BIM, is key to getting us there. BIM is not a single piece of software. It is a process that cannot be overlaid on our existing approaches. We are all aware of the impact and influence technology is having on our lives, yet architecture has been slow to embrace it. The BIM process, the software that facilitates it, and smart procurement methods are key to embracing technology fully. This will allow us to answer the hard questions we've been ignoring in our industry for generations. These questions would include: how can designers and contractors provide accurate price tags for building projects? How can we continually reduce cost? And how can we provide real guarantee periods and quality? Our goal is to answer these questions. We believe its ultimate implication is drawings without dimensions and buildings without drawings. Drawings with dimensions implies site-based construction and methods of construction and building technology that predate the Victorian era, like measuring tapes. If we remove dimensions, it promotes true digital fabrication and assembly, which are absolutely necessary to answer those hard questions we have asked. Do we even need drawings? Building without drawings forces us away from two-dimensional thinking. When we print a drawing, we filter and flatten out information onto a single plane and invite for problems in coordination and quality. With previous 3D software packages, exports and cuts were common terms for exporting information from that model. These were essentially a collection of dumb objects. We now have data-rich parameters inputted into a federated BIM model through the design and building process. This information does not need to be exported or cut or flattened. This information can be used at the place of manufacture to understand the design, to assemble it, and to ultimately set it out on site. Remember, our ultimate goals need to be cost certainty, continuous cost reduction, and a true guarantee of quality. BIM is essential to this process. However, if we use it in the wrong way, we are in danger of missing an industry-changing opportunity. We need to learn from how the master builders of the past approached design and construction, and apply their methods to the new technology we now have at our disposal.